Hello. Making another drink. Put that there. I like the bubbles. Oh, I spilled milk. Do around that much. Seems good. I'm not a monster. I'm a super villain. It's like carbonating it. Okay, wait. There's actually a lot in here. It's like champagne. Got it on myself. And cut. Got the caramel apple pop and the cough drop in. Tastes like apple cider sparkling grape with not that much flavor. If you know, you know. Like, yeah, it's that, just not that much flavor. Then we might cut back to when they're melted. I don't know. Yeah, cut. To be honest, I redid this part like 4 times. To be honest, I've run this like 4. Wait, I already said that. Messed up the script. There wasn't one in the first place. Basketball again. I'm gonna make it this time. Those other 2 were on purpose. Cut. Redo. Ready for part 20? Start recording. Pretty good.